Ouch! No problem. Started running already. Take. मिला क्या? Sengri me kuda. Ya ketik tu tali yang kagos pun tolong nang kagos tu. Empty or Mila? Oh, small one. Mirga. Kotor dah. Kotor kena lagi. Huh? Have to put little down and we're roasting. Hey, fish is running out of place. Yeah. So it's running the fish. Lady man. Ha. Got it. बढ़िया है. Okay, close, cover it. How's the taste? अच्छा है ना? हाँ? Tam no? Very nice. बढ़िया है, बढ़िया. Oh, Kartik. How's it?
Yeah, very good.
Very good. बढ़िया है.
This is the traditional way of 10 years back. This is the traditional way of cooking fish.
Just roasted.
Yeah, roasted fish.
Roasted fish.
Put some salt.
And just if there is lemon, it will be more. That guy is still catching. Very happy to catch. मिला क्या? कुछ मिला? मारो.
Smiling at that. That was the one, no? And the curry and shrimp.
कार्तिक ने बढ़िया किया, बढ़िया. He's arranging everything. No, this fish, very nice, nicely roasted. Wow. Now slowly rotate it. Mothodi. Mothod thang lian na. Sungke indigenous style bla.